This video will outline how to create a daily site report and a concrete pour report in Gate 3. It is a prerequisite to ensure that all companies and contacts you will be using have been associated to your project before you can create a daily site report. Daily site reports capture the day-to-day site activity details and project site information. To begin, ensure you are in the correct project. Navigate to the Field Management section and select Daily Site Reports. This is the Daily Site Reports main view. In this view, you will notice 3 tabs. In Progress displays draft DSRs from most recently created. These are DSRs that have been auto-saved. The Completed tab displays all DSRs that have been submitted and can no longer be edited. The Legacy Reports tab displays daily site reports that are carried over from the old Gate 3 user interface and can be accessed as a PDF. Editing is not available for these reports. To create a new daily site report, navigate to the Progress tab and click Create New. A pop-up will appear. This is the first section of the daily site report to be completed. This is the summary of your daily site report. The report date defaults to the current date but can be backdated. Select a shift from the drop-down menu, or you can enter a shift type manually. As a reminder, the manual entry will be available on the next daily site report. Shift Superintendent auto-populates determined by your login and can be overridden. Select a location from the drop-down menu or enter a location manually, similar to the shift field. This is an optional field. Once you have completed the summary section of the daily site report, click Create, and this function will automatically save the daily site report as a draft document. You have the option to copy from a previous daily site report. Click Copy from Previous to select this action. A pop-up will appear to specify the parameters of the copy. The pop-up contains a drop-down list with a set of previous site reports. The drop-down includes both draft and completed site reports. It will list all site reports from the last 3 days. It will show all shift, super, and location combinations for all 3 dates. In the displayed example, you see only one daily site report for July 30th and 31st. This is because there was only one shift and one superintendent for both days. In the case of July 20th, you see a total of 5 daily site reports. This is because there is a combination of shifts, supers, and locations. Select a daily site report you would like to copy from previous. Select one of the 3 options for delays. Pick any of the options in the Persons on Site section. Once you have completed your selection on what you would like to copy from previous, click Continue. As a reminder, after clicking Continue, if any of the selected target sections in the current daily site report already contains existing data, for example, if there is existing data in the Delays, Management Staff, Hourly Staff, or Subtrades section of the current daily site report, and you have selected to copy those sections from a previous daily site report, the system will prompt you with a warning. Are you sure you want to override the Delays, Management Staff, Hourly Staff, and Subtrades with the ones from the previous daily site report? Click Yes or No. By clicking Yes, Delays, Management Staff, Hourly Staff, and/or Subtrades will be overridden with the selected previous daily site report information. As a reminder, you can access all the sections of the daily site report using the sidebar on the left side of your screen. We will be covering each section in this video. The weather is pulled in from a third-party app based on the project profile, project location, address, and postal code. It displays a 24-hour period with 1-hour intervals. The blue marker defaults to the current weather conditions. Anything ahead of the current time will be forecasted, and previous is actual. The weather section displays precipitation, humidity, and wind. Delays. Click on the plus sign to add any on-site delays if applicable. Add the title of delay and select the cause of delay. In this demonstration, we select Other as the cause of delay. Please note any fields with an asterisk or highlighted in red are required to be completed. Specify the cause of delay, start time, duration, or select all day or ongoing. As a reminder, please note that selecting all day or ongoing removes the time and duration. Add any affected activities. Potential impact and details are optional fields. As a reminder, there are tooltips throughout the daily site report. Once you have filled in the required information, click Done. The Persons on Site section covers management staff, hourly staff, subtrades, and any visitors on site. Management staff. Click the plus sign to add Elliston staff or joint venture staff in the management staff section. Select your management staff from the Project Contacts or All Elliston Contacts tab. Once you have located your contact, check the box next to the name and then click Add. The next section of the daily site report is to add hourly staff. Click the plus sign to add staff. Add the amount of foremen, laborers, carpenters, or operators and the total amount of hours per shift. Total staff and hours will be auto-calculated. As a reminder, shift hours cannot exceed 16 hours. Subtrades. Click on the plus sign to add your subtrades. Select your subtrades from the Project Subtrades or All Elliston Subtrades tab. Once you have located the company name, check the box next to the name, then click Continue. As a reminder, if you have selected Copy from Previous, it will automatically pull in subtrades from a previous daily site report. You can add additional subtrades and remove additional subtrades if needed. After selecting a subtrade, a pop-up will be displayed requesting further details about the subtrade. Fill in the required fields. Location is an optional field. Do your subtrades have their own subtrades on site? If the answer is yes, further information is required about your subtrade subs. List the subtrade subs names on site. If there is more than one sub, you can separate their names with commas. You also want to enter the total head count of subcontractor workforce and the work being performed by each sub. Once the information has been added, click Done. If you missed something or left some information out, not to worry. You can always click on the pencil icon and edit the information as necessary. Alternatively, you can also delete the section of information added if it's no longer applicable. The next section of Persons on Site is Visitors. Click on the plus sign to add visitors. Fill in the required information. Add any persons that have visited the site. It could be an inspector or a client. As a reminder, the trash bin icon throughout the section allows you to remove or delete the information. You can also add additional visitors by clicking on Add Visitor plus sign and any additional comments if needed. Next is Safety Incidents. Click on the plus sign to add an incident. Fill in the required information. Add the title of the incident and incident number from EHS pertaining to this daily site report. Meetings. Click on the plus sign to add meetings. Here you can document meetings by adding the title of the meeting, a Gate 3 meeting minutes reference number, and comments if necessary. Additional meetings can be added. Notable events. Click the plus sign to add an event. The Notable Events section can be used for milestones or to capture relevant information not captured in previous sections. The Concrete Placement section includes concrete pour reports and a test results section. Log a concrete pour report by clicking the plus sign. The concrete pour date defaults to the current date but can be changed if needed. Enter the required information. As a reminder, fields highlighted in red are required fields and must be filled in. Is testing required for this concrete pour? Use the toggle button to switch between yes and no. Please note, if the toggle is set to no, you will not be able to see daily site reports that had concrete reports. We recommend setting the toggle to yes. Test results. To add test results for a previous concrete pour report, navigate to the test results section displayed on the sidebar, and the test results section will be displayed. Once you've completed your test results throughout the day and are ready to input the information into the daily site report, click the plus sign to add test results. A pop-up will appear. All daily site reports with concrete pour reports and where the testing required toggle button was set to yes will be displayed in the pop-up. Select one of the concrete pour reports to add your test results to. As a reminder, if you need further clarification in the Add Test Results section, you can always hover over the tooltip for more information. Click Continue once you have selected a previous concrete pour report. Fill in the required information. Attachments may also be added by clicking on the Add Hyperlink. Add the testing agency if applicable. As a reminder, multiple test results can be added. Overall comments and attachment section. Add any additional comments you wish to add relating to the daily site report. Hyperlinks can also be added in the comments section. In addition, you can drag and drop files or click Browse Files to upload files from your computer. Once you have uploaded a file, a pop-up will be displayed confirming the file was successfully uploaded. Click Done. Project Pictures. In this section of the daily site report, you can drag and drop project photos or click Browse Photos to upload photos from your computer, similar to attachments. Once the upload has completed, a pop-up will be displayed confirming the photo was successfully uploaded. Click Done. Once you have filled in all the necessary sections of the daily site report, click Submit to complete the daily site report process. As a reminder, once the daily site report has been submitted, you can no longer edit the form and you cannot supersede a submitted daily site report. Click Yes to confirm submission of the daily site report. The submitted daily site report will now reside under the Completed tab in your daily site report's main view. To view the completed daily site report, navigate to the right side of the selected DSR, click on the ellipses, and click Open to view the daily site report. Now you have a better understanding of how to create a daily site report and concrete pour report. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.